Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths teacher of Modern English of School Kunti Nagar branch Nevada. Students, this is the second video lecture of exercise 3 factorization of polynomials. Students, I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 3a factorization by taking out the common factor. First method of the factorization by the taking out the common factors. So my first question is two x into p square plus q square plus 4 by p square plus q square. In these questions we use the method factorization by taking out the common factors. So I have two terms. We know that any polynomials divides the terms only two signs plus and minus. So this is the first term and this is the second term, and both terms are sum each common. So p square plus q square, 2 into p square plus q square and 2 into p square plus q square are both terms. So we write 2x into p square plus q square plus 2 into 2 by into p square plus q square. Students, 4 by it means 2 into 2 by. So both terms 2 into p square plus q square and 2 into p square plus q square is common. So 2 into p square plus q square is common, and left is x plus 2 by x plus 2 by. So, and the second question is x into a minus 5, x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. In this questions, students, I have two terms, x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. So no any terms is common in this question, but a minus 5 is here, and in this term 5 minus a. So minus is common in this term and change 5 minus a to a minus 5. So x into a minus 5 minus is common, so plus change to minus by. Here students, plus 5 plus sign, we know multiplication of sign. Plus into plus equal to plus, minus into minus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, and minus into plus equal to माइनस. अब स्टूडेंट्स, जब दो सेम साइन हो तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है और दो डिफरेंट साइन हमेशा निगेटिव होता है. इसका मतलब है कि अगर एक निगेटिव साइन हो तो वो एक पॉजिटिव और एक निगेटिव से मिलकर बनता है. जैसे सपोज दैट यहाँ +5 है, तो +5 कब होगा? या तो दोनों के दोनों पॉजिटिव साइन है या दोनों के दोनों निगेटिव साइन है. तो मान लेते हैं कि यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है और दोनों के दोनों निगेटिव साइन मिलकर के यहाँ पॉजिटिव बना, एक निगेटिव कॉमन हो गया, तो यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा? -5. निगेटिव एक सेम बचेगा. चलिए -a, तो -a, एक माइनस का निर्माण एक पॉजिटिव और एक निगेटिव दो साइन से होता है. एक पॉजिटिव इंटू निगेटिव इक्वल टू माइनस, और माइनस अगर कॉमन हो गया तो यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा? प्लस. सो प्लस a. दिस इम्प्लाई x इंटू a minus 5 and minus y into a minus 5. Now in both terms a minus 5 is common, so a minus 5 is common and x minus y. And my third question is 4 into a plus b minus 6 into a plus b का होल स्क्वायर. in I have two terms in these questions, 4 into a plus b और minus 6 into a plus b का whole square. For a plus b, 2 into a plus b and 2 into a plus b is common both terms. So we write 2 into a plus b minus 2 into 3 a plus b का whole square. So 2 into a plus b or 2 into a plus b are common. 2 into a plus b are common. So 2 into a plus b is common. Left is 2 minus 2 into a plus b is common. So left is 3 or a plus b, because here a plus b का whole square. 1 a plus b is common and rest 1 a plus b. So 2 into a plus b and 2 minus 3a minus 3b. Students, now I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 3a. Now some examples of exercise 3a, factorization by grouping. Some examples of exercise 3a by the method of factorization by grouping. So my first example is x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10. I have 4 terms, students. In these questions, I have 4 terms. So any 2 terms are making a group. So first x cube plus 2x square and 5x plus 10 for first group, and the second group. Here x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Here x square is common. In both terms x square is common. Then rest is x plus 2, and in both terms 5 is common and x plus 2. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ ध्यान देने की बात ये है, ये जो कॉमन आ रहा है हमारे पास x प्लस 2 और यहाँ पे x प्लस 2, ये दोनों के दोनों सेम होना चाहिए बाय ग्रुपिंग मेथड में. बाय ग्रुपिंग मेथड में ये दोनों के दोनों अगर डिफरेंट है तब हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, रॉन्ग होगा. सो इन मेथड वी हैव 2 terms, x plus 2 is common and rest is x square plus 5. And the second question is x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. In these questions I have 4 terms, but any 2 terms making a group. Choose any 2 terms. So x square plus xy. If x is common, then x plus y is rest, and minus 2z is common, for x plus y is rest. So x square plus xy is the first group, and the minus 2xz minus 2yz is second group. So here x is common, rest is x plus y, and minus 2z is common, rest is x plus y. And I have 2 terms in these questions, x plus y is common, rest is x minus 2z. And the third question is 3a minus 1 का whole square minus 6a plus 2. First term, second term and third term. So 3a minus 1 का whole square minus 2 is common in both terms. So 3a minus 1 minus 2 multiply 3a, 3 2 is 6a minus 6a minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. So in both terms 3a minus 1 is common. 3a minus 1 is common and rest is 3a minus 1 and minus 2. This implies 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 1 and minus 2. This implies 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 3, minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. This imply 3a minus 1 and 3a minus 3 is common. So 3 is common, a minus 1. So 3 into 3a minus 1 into a minus 1.